welcome to Cooking with Laelyn. Tonight we're making lasagna with Memo's recipe. First we're going to add this
ricotta cheese.
Ricotta cheese. Italian seasoning. Keep adding in. Next one's onion. And the last one is garlic. I just like the flow of it. Ooh, good. Now we mix it all together. Mixy, mixy, mix. Mixy, mixy, mix. Mixy, mixy. Mixy, mixy, mix. Oh, mixy, 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 mix. It's all mixed together. Now we put the sauce, then we do the noodles, but let a grown-up do the hamburger meat. Now let a grown-up do the hamburger meat. Now we put in the ricotta cheese. And then we're gonna put a layer of cheese. Now we do a layer of cheese. Now we put another layer on. First, we do the sauce. Do this layer of sauce again. Let's do it. Now we do the hamburger meat. Now we do the ricotta cheese one, and then we put the cheese on, and then it's ready to go to the oven for around 30 minutes. Now we put the, oh, I forgot. We put the ricotta cheese on. And then it's ready to go into the oven. I'm just gonna pour it. Okay, now it's ready to go in the oven. Let it grown up and in the oven for 30 minutes. Like and subscribe. See you there.